Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an eye-catching YouTube banner using Canva. This will ensure your channel looks professional and attractive. If you want to follow along, head over to canva.com. Type YouTube banner in the search bar and click on the YouTube banner design. Let's get started. If you don't already have a Canva account, check the description for our affiliate links. You can either try Canva Pro for free for 45 days or sign up for a free account. There's one step in this tutorial that requires Canva Pro, but I'll also show you free alternatives. Remember, many pre-made designs aren't optimized for all devices, so we're going to start from scratch to make sure everything fits perfectly. Let's begin by creating a blank YouTube banner. First, let's change the white background to something more appealing. Now, to make sure our design fits perfectly on all devices, we need to use rulers and guides. If you don't see them, go to File greater than View, Settings greater than Show Rulers and Guides, or press Shift plus and next, drag the ruler to set guides at these positions, 2053. (507). (508). And 932. Now, let's add some elements to your banner. Go to Uploads and upload your logo. Place the logo in the center of the safe area. Adjust its size so it doesn't dominate the entire space. To add text, press T to create a text box. Type your channel's slogan, for example, "Grow your audience online." Choose a font that matches your brand. I'm using Open Sans Extra Bold. Align the text with your logo using the purple guidelines. You might also want to add another text box to highlight your content schedule, like new videos every week. Let's make the text more visually appealing. Select the text box, go to Effects greater than Background, and choose Sharp Corners with a border spread. Adjust the border size to your preference. Change the background color to something that matches your brand colors. I'm using green for the background and blue for the text to add more vibrancy. Align the new text box with your logo and slogan. Make sure everything is centered and evenly spaced. If needed, adjust the positioning of your elements to ensure they fit well within the safe area. Now, let's add a picture of yourself to personalize your banner. Upload your image to Canva. If you have Canva Pro, you can easily remove the background by clicking on the image, then selecting Edit Image greater than Background Remover. If you're using the free version, you can either place your image in a frame or use another tool to remove the background. Adjust the size and position of your image within the safe area. To make your image pop, you can edit it further. Go to Edit Image Greater Than Adjust. And tweak the brightness, contrast, and saturation. You can also add a glow effect by selecting Glow, then editing the size, transparency, blur, and color to your liking. Once you're happy with your banner, now let's add the name to your banner. And there you have it. It's time to download it. Go to the download button and select the file type and quality you prefer. Now tap on Download button. Once downloaded, open the banner. And let's see your banner. Now, head over to your YouTube channel. Click on Customize Channel, and upload your new banner. Check how it looks on different devices to ensure everything is within the safe area. If you want some additional help in terms of designing elements for your YouTube channel, be sure to watch other tutorials. I recommend checking out video on how to create YouTube thumbnails and how to make your watermark for more subscribers. Here are some final tips to ensure your YouTube banner stands out. Consistency: make sure your banner matches the overall branding of your channel. Simplicity: avoid clutter, keep your design clean and straightforward. Call to action: include a call to action like subscribe or watch now to engage viewers. And there you have it. A stunning YouTube banner that looks great on all devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more tech tutorials, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.